Okay, so guys, here you are in your affiliate portal, and you may be asking me, how do you promote the products that are in BolehCompare? So if you can see on the left side of your screen, you have so many tabs here, from sales, leads, promote now, invite and earn, commission scheme, and others. So in order for you to sell your product, you need to go to promote now, click promote now, and you can see the list of the products that BolehCompare has to offer, from broadband to mobile phone and accessories. So for our example, I'm going to click here broadband and without gift. This is just an example, so you don't have to follow exactly in this video. So let's just say we want to promote time.com. So we're going to click here promote now, the Time Fiber broadband promotion on your top left. I'm just going to click this. So as you click promote now, you come to this page where you have the option to share to the client to sign them up, or to get them to sign up immediately, or you can share with them through various like social media platforms over here. And for this example, I'm going to choose like WhatsApp, since everybody uses WhatsApp. So let's say WhatsApp over here. Okay, it's loading. Okay, and I'll click send. And as you click send, it will lead you over to their WhatsApp page. This is only applicable for desktop version, but if you're on mobile, I am pretty sure that it will be more straightforward than this. So excuse for my slow internet over here and using desktop. So let's just wait for it to load here. Come on, why is it loading for so long? Okay, so okay, all right, now we're connected to WhatsApp. Okay, let's see. Let's just say that you want to send it to okay. I'll click him and you just send it over to him. And bingo, it is done. This you don't have to only use WhatsApp all the time, but this is just one of the methods you can use on WhatsApp. But I'm pretty sure in Facebook it will lead you to the page where you are able to share and all. So that is it from me. Thank you very much for listening.